Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to see the quick review about water heater for bathroom. Here we have purchased this branded lifelong brand water heater for our bathroom in our home. So far it is working so good. We have purchased this one 2 years back. Still now no problem arised. Also heating is done very quickly. Within 2 to 10 minutes it will get full heat. It is of 15-liter water capacity, and hot water will be coming out in this pipe. It is very useful for us so far. Its warranty is about 5 years. Still now no issue arised. If you would like to purchase this water heater, yes, you can purchase it online or offline. If you like to purchase it online, just check out the product page in this video or description for the link. And only one disadvantage is that it will consume more power, and thus it will increase the electricity bill. Otherwise it is so good. Yes, totally, it's very nice. If you like to purchase this one, yes, you can do it. Okay, we will recommend it with 4.5 star rating out of 5. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.